desktop weather application that we built with Python and then Tkinter. My name is Alex Opoku from CodeCamp 5 and 6, and I'm with,
Dollar Hussein Naji from CodeCamp 5 and 6.
and then we are doing the weather app project. When this information is being set, you see our loading spin. That is when everything starts in the background. And then how it feels like, the humidity, the rain, the pressure. And I said earlier, these are also the forecast for the next 5 days after the current day.
It's to check the current weather and the predicted weather for the next 5 days of a specific city.
Okay.
Yeah. Mainly, we used Python, Tkinter,
yes,
then the MVC formats.
architecture.
Yes, yeah, architecture. Yes.
So this is Code LMS. We were seeking to solve a problem we had in CodeCamp. Yeah, the project was to help streamline study here. So every video you watch, every assessment, every study you come and do here is tracked because earlier content was sent to us through WhatsApp. So getting a centralized place where we could all students could visit for all the resources they need. So the learning structure here has been through reading online documents and mainly watching videos. So we decided that to be able to get feedback from students, to be able to make sure that the students are actually watching the videos. When they watch the videos, do they actually watch the videos? What is their performance and stuff like that? So in this application, you have courses students can enroll in and modules that form course outlines for the students to go through and see which particular course they are interested in. Like initial database we used was SQLite, and to allow later the app changed. So initially we had just one writer, is the administrator writing to the database. But later, for concurrency reasons, we decided to change from SQLite to Postgre. Before starting the application, we actually did like research to find out how easy it would be to move from one database to the other, right? Because we were initially learning SQLite and we decided to begin with that. So, would it be easy to migrate from SQLite to a different database without having to change our classes? It has built my confidence. So, um, it has helped a lot.
So the name of our project is Build Your Team. And then the main purpose of the project is for team formation.
It bridges the gap between the traditional pitching platforms and the one we've created. So for Build Your Team, unlike the traditional platform which focuses on money investing and funding, this one gives you the opportunity to turn your dream into a reality.
Whilst we have so many platforms that focuses on crowdfunding, freelance, job searchings like LinkedIn, we want a platform where anybody ranging from business startup, tech, entertainment, media, outreach, school, to have the opportunity to pitch their ideas. And then once they pitch their ideas, they get people who are interested in those ideas to request to join their projects. And then they can approve or reject based on the profile the person is having.
We used Flask, also SQL for handling the database, and also HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. And we also use Jinja 2 templating.
I used to work in isolation at the intermediary level or intermediate level. But when we got to this advanced, the final project, we are three in a team and we have to work hand in hand. This one will make a pull request for this one to approve before it is merged. So I think even though I had idea in programming, I didn't experience the collaborativeness. So what it has helped me here is that it has helped me to be able to work collaboratively as a team.